Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Kino here, and welcome back to a brand episode of me opening up Pokemon cards. Alright, we're doing the same thing as last video, doing the 3-pack plus the sparkly holographic promo card, that being Psyduck yet again. And this time, we're spicing it up a bit with another, with the Pokemon trading card game Mega Evolution Booster Bundle pack. I don't know if I said Scarlet Violet before. Did I? No, because there's no Scarlet Violet there. It's just Mega Evolution. But with that being said, guys, let's just crack this open. I was like imagining these things are like eggs. You just do this. Let the egg sauce. I'm sorry, eggs. No, I mean the yolk spill out. The yolk being the 6 fine booster packs. And let's get this show on the road. So first off, let's see inside of you, Mega Lucario EX. Something good, something bad, something old, something new, something mysterious, something blue. Let's see which one we get. Ah, we get something mysterious. Raboot, Ivysaur, Ultra Ball, Jinx, Premium Power Pro. Looks like one of those merchandise drinks. Anyways, Tangros, Grumpig, Holographic, Lillipede, Lily's Determination, Holographic Abra. Okay, we have luck this time, guys. We got ourselves 4 Mega Abomasnow EX. Hammerlanche and Frostberry. Oh my gosh, that's cool. And hey, we also get Basic Energy, the same type as Mega Abomasnow EX. I guess it's a sign that winters are coming. Yeah. Also, just saying this here for a bit, the fact that Abomasnow was also Wolfric's main Pokemon in Pokemon X and Y, it's actually really awesome. And the fact that it can Mega Evolve and it looks a bit more like him, that's awesome, yeah. However, if the Pokemon Company is planning on making an X and Y remake, they gotta have the gym leaders Mega Evolve their Pokemon. And I don't mean like after when you beat the game. I mean like when you like first start playing the game. Just have the gym leaders Mega Evolve their Pokemon first time you battle them. And you can re-challenge them again. They could have either different Pokemon that can Mega Evolve, or they could have like the same team, a little bit of different Pokemon, and yeah, Mega Evolve them still. That's how, in my opinion, a Pokemon X and Y remake would work. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, because we got to get back to open up the cards right now. With that being said, one down, and definitely a lot more to go. So next up, let's see inside of you, Mega Kangaskhan EX. Alright, so we got ourselves Snowbird, Delbird, Toxicroak, Seedot, Box's Order, Gets This Edition, Stonejourner, dang it. Crawdunt. Is Crawdunt supposed to be a dark type? I have no idea. Holographic Mantine, Holographic Strange Timepiece, Holographic Alakazam, Basic Energy. Alright. So we were doing good, and we're still doing good. Next up, let's see the side of you, Mega Venusaur EX. Alright, we got ourselves Onix, Ace-Q, Lopunny, Magnemite, Latios, Repel. Cards in the back felt sandy. Oh, we could get a rare card here, guys. Either a regular Mega or either regular Mega Pokemon EX card or Fort. Let's see. Right, Ninjask. Holographic Tangrowth. Holographic Onyx. Okay, we get Mega Manectric EX. Nice. And a basic energy. Alright. Okay. Pocket this one up. I don't mean sleeve it up. Samurai sword. Next up, let's see the side of you Mega Gardevoir EX. Now, hopefully we should get Secret Illustration Rare Mega Gardevoir EX in here. Because that's my #1 card I'm searching for. Alright, we got Ralts, but it's not what we're looking for. Speaking of which, Ralts, Stuffle, Sizzlepede, Sandslash, Iron Defender, Solrock, Shuckle, Holographic Riolu, Holographic Frostmoth. Okay, we get 4 Lily's Determination. Basic Energy. Okay, I know for a fact that I got that card again. Alright. Sleeve her up. Okay. And next up, let's see the side of you, other ×2 other Mega Lucario EX. And we got ourselves Knacklestack, Vulpix, Bulbasaur, Pokemon Center Lady, Marshadow, Chi-Yu, Boss's Orders, Getsus Edition. Oh boy! What is that? Tinkaton. Oh, we got Illustration Rare Bulbasaur. Nice! Hey, it goes along with Mega Venusaur EX. Nice! Holographic Kyogre and Basic Energy. Okay, I know for a fact that I'm keeping the Secret Illustration Rare Mega Venusaur EX lineup. Because all I need is Ivysaur. Oh my gosh, guys. What do I even say? Back when Pokemon TCG Scarlet Violet 151 was announced, I remember getting Illustration Rare Bulbasaur and Ivysaur. I think I got Venusaur. No, I don't know. I got 2/3 of the Venusaur EX lineup. However, the moment I traded those cards for, I guess, yeah, one of the, yeah, Mega, no, I mean, Gigantamax, yeah, one of the PSA graded cards, that being Altart, Rapid Strike, Dynamax, Sylveon VMAX. I instantly noticed there was another, instantly noticed there was a Secret Illustration Rare Venusaur EX card that I could have bought, but then again, I'm not into, I'm sorry if this ticks people off. I'm sorry if I'm not, but I'm not into Pokemon TCG Scarlet Violet 151. I mean, I'm not that big of a Generation 1 fan. I get it's the series that started Pokemon off, but it just doesn't give that pizzazz. Doesn't give enough pizzazz in my opinion. I mean, I'll still review it, but I mean, yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love Generation 1, but it doesn't get me the same way you guys. But then again, with that being said, and enough being negative, 5 down, and 1 more to go. So last place inside of you, Mega Kangaskhan EX. Okay, let's see what we get here this time. Execute, Gimmighoul, Beware, Thievul, Risky Ruins, Houndstone, Magnezone, Holographic Baniri, Holographic Knacklestack, Holographic Yveltal, Basic Energy. That don't sound like a rap. But anyways, let's also move. Oh yeah, now we've done the booster bundle. It's time to move on to the 3-pack set featuring, of course, the 3 booster packs and of course Spark Holographic promo card of Psyduck. Also, gosh dang, let's not do that with the camera, and let's just show you guys the back of it right now. Alright guys, here's the back of the 3-pack plus the Spark Holographic promo card. Yeah, here's the back of the 3-pack set, guys. Y'all can pause the video anytime you want to read the back of the card. And with that being said, let's open it up right now. Alright, so and with that being said, guys, let's have the show go on. So first off, let's see inside of you, Mega Lucario EX. And we got here Spoink, Electrike, Sobble, Toxicroak, Tinkaton, Shiftry, Boss's Orders, Holographic Bulbasaur. Okay, we get Illustration Rare Ninjask, Holographic Xerneas, Basic Energy. Very impressive start to the 3-pack set. I really love Illustration Rares a lot, guys. And you know what? Actually, if I had to choose between Illustration Rares or Full Arts, I honestly have to go with Full Arts. Kind of because they give off this nostalgic vibe. I mean, when I first started the game, Full Arts were the biggest thing, but as for Illustration Rares, you know what? Yeah, Illustration Rares take the cake. That being said, next up, let's use side of view Mega Venusaur EX. And we got ourselves Numel, Delmice, Krogunk, Delbird, Volcanion, Laser Determination, Gumshoes, Holographic Strudel, Holographic Jinx, Holographic Yveltal, Basic Energy. Alright. Now, with that being said, guys, 2 down, and 1 more to go. I have no idea why these cards keep on sliding everywhere. It might be because the mat I used for my videos that's making them slide, but I don't know. But once again, 2 down, and 1 more to go. That's better. Last but not least, side view, Mega Gardevoir EX. Let's see what we got this time, guys. Ace Q, Bayleaf, Spearow, Onyx, Shedinja, Inteleon, Wally's Compassion, Holographic Surfing Beach, Holographic Marshadow, Holographic Steelix, and a Basic Energy to end things off right here. Alright, we got more cards than the previous video, so let's review them right now. Alright, so starting off with the EX cards, guys. Well, the EX card, guys, we got ourselves Mega Manectric EX, zapping his way in first. Next up, we got the Full Arts, that being Mega Bombsnow EX, and Lily's Determination. Very beautiful. Last but not least, we got the Illustration Rare cards, that being Bulbasaur and Ninjask. And if I had to choose which one would be my favorite, it's obviously going to be Bulbasaur. I did say I was a Generation 1 fan, but when it comes to Mega cards, I just can't help myself. So yeah, this one's my favorite also because it actually connects to the Mega Venusaur, the Secret Fisher Mega Venusaur EX evolution lineup. Yeah, and that vine right over there, that's supposed to be Illustration Rare Ivysaur's vine right there. So, although we might see where if we can get Illustration Rare Ivysaur, we're still searching for Secret Illustration Rare Mega Gardevoir EX. So keep that in mind, guys. But with that being said, and also second favorite would obviously have to be Ninjask. Because, I mean, just look at how amazing this card looks. I just really love Illustration Rares. Even though I really love 4 cards. But with that being said, guys, that's the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. I think Mega Bomb Snow would be my 3rd favorite, although I don't do 3rd favorites. Anyways, yeah, and comment down below which reaction is your favorite. And again, that is for you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.